Okay, then have you gone on the stage and have you delivered your speech in front of public? Have you done this kind of public speaking? Oh, okay. Mhm, mhm, mhm. Right, right. Mhm. Of course, definitely. That's why language and communication both are different each other. Language is a language, right? We can convey our message with whom we wanna interact, but communication is an art because you can influence the public, you can attract the public, and they're ready to listen your words, what you wanna tell them, right? That's why public speaker is a different, they have a deep knowledge about topic, and if any listener they ask any question, they're ready to reply and they try to solve their problem, right? Because what motivation, because motivator they always means solve the problem within short period, right? And they give a result, right? That's why we ready to listen and we capture all kind of information through their speech, right? And if you read, of course, definitely I have visited in south part special Hyderabad, and I went to there 2016 and I have visited in there so many places, Golconda, Ramoji Film City, Ocean Park, and mhm, right, right, and Golconda also, right, 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 you are right, and Charminar. Of course, it will take, because if you have a 15 days or 20 days, then you can complete to visit inside the Ramoji Film City. It is not a, because today you go and you visit, not like that. If you go today and you visit only 2% or 3%, right? It is so big place. And if you want to visit all places, then it will take time, right? Have you been? Have you been there? Could you repeat? Okay, I have been West Bengal. Uh, West Bengal, I went there, and I also visited my nearest state in Chhattisgarh, Raipur, and I visited also little bit in AP, Andhra Pradesh, because I went there to appear exam. Yeah, and you? Okay, okay. Then. Mhm. Right, right. Because that's why we have to learn also in English because of traveling purpose, right? If you don't know their native language, then you can communicate with them in English and Hindi. Sometimes you people, South part people, you people little bit know Hindi, but you people don't prefer to speak in Hindi, right? You people know your mother tongue and English very well, right? And that's why you have to learn English also and Hindi also. but maximum it is a English is a global language and acceptable language, right? Yeah, yeah, translate it, but sometimes what happens, citizen, they don't want to. No, Odia and Bengali both are similar language, but speaking alphabet are both are different from each other. I can understand Bengali, but I cannot speak like them. They can understand Odia, but they cannot speak like us. Like that, Hindi and Urdu, both language similar, speaking part similar, but alphabet both are different between each other, 110%. Right? But speaking, yeah, Hindi and Urdu both are similar. Even though you see your mother tongue Malayalam, but you can understand also Tamil and Telugu. I think so, right? But both are similar each other. I think so. Tamil means Malayalam people they okay. Okay. But I heard maximum time Malayalam people they tell I can understand. I think Tamil or this kind of I thought means they both language similar each other. That's why people they can. Okay, can you speak Hindi? Can you speak Hindi? Okay. हाँ, right. You can understand मेरा काम हो जाएगा. Right. You can understand perfectly, but you cannot speak like Hindi people, right? But you can speak. आगे एग्रीकल्चर से यूज करता हूँ एग्रेसिव हिंदी सारा यूज करके हिंदी में बात करता है लेकिन यहाँ पर बहुत से हिंदी लोग काम करने के लिए आता है right. You are right. Because yeah, people, Odia people, we have a mother tongue. We speak and we read, write also Hindi, but we are not fluent Hindi speaker. Sometimes what happen, we make mistake while talking with them. But we can speak better than you people because you people speak Hindi. It's okay, but sometimes mother tongue influence in Hindi, right? If I speak your mother tongue, definitely I influence my mother tongue in your Malayalam, right? This kind of. But you can speak better way in Hindi because you know greeting part also, right? आप कैसे हैं, क्या करते हैं, कहाँ जाते हैं, क्या काम करते हैं? Because if you interact with Hindi people, definitely you can learn and you can speak with them, and you can polish your Hindi speaking part, right? I I can improve. Yeah, of course, definitely. But this kind of we can learn also so many languages, right? Then it is better for us also. If you interact with Hindi people, you can talk with them. If anyone speak with you in English, then you talk with them in English. If someone speak with you in your mother tongue, then you can interact with them, right? Then it is a better. Then you tell how long have you been using this platform? How long? Hello? See, I have been using it for 1 month. Maybe, are you? No, I have been using this platform around 5 months. I'm new, not new in this platform. I am a regular user. Sometime I don't get time, then I don't use regularly. Otherwise, I try to use regularly. Have you explained how are the people here? Are they helpful? Okay, this platform is a good platform. Second thing, people are also good. it is doesn't matter because we don't have language partner and we don't get atmosphere to interact with anyone in English. First thing, right? We are language learner, we want to enhance our English speaking. Then these platform create English speaking atmosphere, and these platform connect with two language learners.